Finance 17E. Karen knows she will have $500,000 in her account when she retires in 2 years. She wants to be able to take monthly withdrawals from the account for a total of 30 years. If her retirement account earns 6% interest, how much will she be able to withdraw each month? So again, this is a payout annuity because the money is in the account and she's taking regular withdrawals. So I will pause and just write down the information, the pertinent information first. Okay, so again, in this case, we're looking for the withdrawal amount. And she wants to be paid monthly, so that's why our N is 12 for 30 years. I feel like the rest is self-explanatory. So let's go ahead and put this information in our payout annuity formula. Okay, and since our N times T is negative 360, or it's 360, but we have to make that negative. Put that up there. Okay, and again, I will go ahead and do this computation first. And you could either store into a variable, or you could take the $500,000, divide by your previous answer. And either way, we get $2,997.75 that she'll receive each month.